Who's excited?
So everyone's excited, so we're gonna go ahead and eat this thing.
Oh, baby.
Mallory, our last viral video that we did really well.
Of course, because it's viral.
So I asked you to find something on TikTok that was kind of cool and related to sandwich season. And what did you find?
I found the chopped Italian hoagie.
And I thought that this would be great
Obviously.
because it's amazing what you can find on TikTok.
Who doesn't love a good Italian sub?
So we have everything that we saw in the video, and now we're gonna make it ourselves.
With Vince's own sliced meats and cheeses. Eat the bread, eat the meat, eat the cheese. Eat the bread, eat the meat, eat the
Cheese, do it.
Eat the bread, eat the meat, eat the
Cheese. That's right, so we made it really easy for ourselves. We didn't really have to do anything. We just opened a couple of those packs,
Exactly.
and off we go. It's not as easy as what he showed.
No.
You don't like breath onion?
No, I do, but like,
Oh, Tim's got bad morning breath?
doesn't everybody?
No. My wife, her breath smells like, oh my gosh, an angel.
She's definitely waking up before you brushing.
Wasn't it salt and pepper? And mayo? Cheese?
Cheese. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Are you nervous?
I'm not nervous at all.
I'm just excited. Me.
It's not as easy as it looks in the video.
Yeah.
I'll say that. He made the chopping look quite easy. This is kind of messy. I'm not gonna lie.
You're really touching it. Yes. Don't worry about the mess. We'll clean up after.
I feel bad about the mess. I don't like the mess.
Oh, fingers.
My hands are clean. I washed my hands. You watched me wash my hands. Now, I want you to get in on this.
Oh, wow. Olive right away. Gone.
Get that anger out.
Yeah.
Do it.
It's gone. Mmm.
How's it look?
Good.
Taste a little bit?
I just ain't olive.
There's a little bit of that like cinema of food. Like it's kind of fun.
I think what we do is put like a little extra mayo on the bun.
You guys don't want salt, but you want mayonnaise.
Don't hate on mayo.
Your body needs sodium. It doesn't need mayo.
Who's excited?
Yeah. Oh, you want to see this? This is actually kind of fun. I think we're overfilling, but that's part of this, right? This could be at the X.
Yeah.
This could be an X food right here.
Oh, baby.
Mallory, when you get like your food, like when your food is happening and you're like in it,
You gotta get it.
you
yeah.
change. Your personality changes.
This is very exciting. Holy. That's beautiful.
So everyone's excited, so we're gonna go ahead and eat this thing. Cheers.